Om Namah Shivaya. Om Amriteshwari Namaha. Today I, Chandra Akuli of class 7A, is going to explain the chapter Gopal and the Hilsha fish from NCRT. So it was a season for Hilsha fish. Everybody, householders, fishmongers, and each and everybody only talk about Hilsha fish, nothing else. Fishmongers went to sea for catching only Hilsha fish, nothing else. They went to the markets to sell the Hilsha fish. Householders come to the market for buying Hilsha fish. One day, one day in the palace, some courtiers were discussing about the Hilsha fish, and one of the courtiers said the king that, Your Majesty, today I had a huge Hilsha fish, and they all continued with that. Suddenly, the king got very angry and he said that, Stop it! You are a courtier, not a fisherman, so stop all this. Then everybody was then there was a very awkward silence. After that, king realized that he was in a temper, he can't control his temper, so he felt sorry to every of them. And then the king continued that, sorry guys, I lost my temper, so please don't mind. Then after that, king also started about Hilsha fish, and he told Gopal that, Gopal, I think you also can't stop anybody from speaking about Hilsha fish in this season. After that, Gopal said that, Your Majesty, I, if you give me that chance, I could. Then the king said that, okay, fine, you, one day you have to buy a huge Hilsha fish, and nobody should speak a word about that Hilsha fish that you will bring. After a few days, Gopal was getting ready for buying that Hilsha fish. His wife started that, why your face is half shaved, why you smeared ash on your body, why you are dressing like a rags, wearing rags, the means in a ridiculous fashion. Gopal have wear some dress, done his look. Then Gopal started that, woman, I said that I am going to buy a Hilsha fish, so stop, don't ask these bullshit questions to me. Then his wife started murmuring that, what is it, what have happened to him, had he gone mad? Then he bought the huge Hilsha fish from the market and started walking to, in the started walking towards the palace. And when he was going, at that time some people were talking about him that, yeah, what a had that man got mad, what he is doing, like this ridiculous fashion is so comical, and many other things were continuing. Then when he finally reached the palace, the guards who were there at the gate, they didn't allow him to get inside the palace. Then Gopal started dancing and singing very loudly. Then this all goes to the king. King heard this all, that what a man is doing outside the palace. Then he told that, please bring that man before me. Then one of the guard told, okay, your majesty. Then after a few moments, Gopal came inside, and everybody saw it, and they got shocked that how Gopal can be. Everybody was murmuring that, I that Gopal this is again a joke of Gopal's, a very funny joke of Gopal. Then the king angrily said that, uh, Gopal, please get out from here. Why you are dressing like a ridiculous fashion? What happened to you? Then Gopal started that, Your Majesty, I think you are forgetting something. Then the king said, forgetting something? What I will forget? Then Gopal said that, Your Majesty, it's very seems that nobody is interested today in talking about the Hilsha wish. Everybody is talking about my ridiculous fashion only. Then the king memorized that, yeah, I had given a challenge to Gopal. So after realizing that, the king started laughing and told Gopal that, Gopal, again you proved that nothing is impossible. Again you achieved a impossible one. So congratulations for that. So this was the story of Gopal and the Hilsha fish. Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.